here today at the University of California Hanson Agricultural Research and Extension Center. So the University of California is a string of universities throughout California, and here at our Extension Center, this is where we have a lot of scientists, and they help do different experiments, and they teach farmers how to grow food better. So everybody knows, and it's a really great center for education. So we're standing here, and this is we have a couple different plants here. There's our orchards. We have some apple trees lining the whole area here. And these apple trees aren't like regular apple trees. They actually grow sideways, laterally, along the fences. And we have a couple other fun plants. We have this huge kiwi vine growing behind me that produce kiwi fruit.
Here we have our citrus orchard. You can see behind me we have a tangerine tree that we call a pixie tree. Pixies are only grown in Ventura, so if there are these types of tangerines elsewhere, they're not a pixie. We also have kumquats and other citrus varieties around us. Lemons are the number 4 top agricultural product from Ventura, so that's pretty cool. And we can observe these citrus plants and see their fruit and see what grows best. And if you come in closer, you can see one of these little kumquats. If you haven't tried them before, you should definitely try them out.
All right, so here we have the Urban Tree Project. This is actually a 25-year project, and we're in year number 5. And so what this is that scientists here at the UC Hanson Extension Center are looking to see what types of trees grow best in an urban environment. So these are types of trees you might see along the road, planted near parking lots, just general trees you might see driving around town. And you'll notice that some of these trees have grass underneath them, some of them have mulch, and they're just trying to figure out what trees grow best in different environments.
We've arrived at the herb garden here behind me. You can see we have oregano, we have mint, we have basil, we have thyme, we even have a bay tree right here. These leaves are great for soups. You can pluck them right off, throw them in your soup, and they give it great flavor. Herbs can be classified as either aromatic, so they smell good, ornamental, so they look really pretty, culinary, so you eat them, or medicinal, so they help your insides or help you get healthier. So herb gardens are a great addition to any garden in the backyard or here at the Agricultural Extension Center.
All right, so here we're standing in a small strawberry patch, and strawberries are actually the #1 agricultural commodity here in Ventura County, and they make over $650 million per year. That's pretty impressive. And the best part about them is that they're delicious. So here I have a tiny strawberry. Tastes great.
Over here we have some plants growing from different cultures. So we have our tomatillos and we have our Chinese cucumbers over here. And then our other 2 gardens aren't blooming right now, but potentially we could have some awesome plants from the Middle East, or over there we have some nice okra and black-eyed peas growing as well.
All right, here I'm standing in our pollinator garden, and right here this is milkweed, and caterpillars love to eat milkweed, and it's great because these caterpillars can munch on the milkweed, and when they emerge as butterflies, they're ready to go in our butterfly bush. And in these purple flowers, there's nectar that the butterflies love to eat. So they get to be caterpillars in the milkweed, and then once they become butterflies, they get to enjoy the butterfly bush.
So here we have a nice insect habitat. You can see there's all sorts of different kinds of wood, rolled up paper. Yeah, take a look at it. But this habitat is here so that the native bees that are native to this area, they're from here, they can have a home and somewhere to support their lives. So these tubes that you see are the kinds of places that those native bees like to nest and live in. This habitat does not attract the honeybees or aggressive wasps, So you can have these at home and feel safe that you have these habitats. The native bees are great pollinators, so support your native bees and think about building your own insect habitat at home.